is hepatitis? Hepatitis is inflammation in the liver. In general terms, in a layman language, one can say it is swelling of the liver. The commonest causes of hepatitis is viral hepatitis. There are 5 types of viruses which cause hepatitis: hepatitis A virus, B virus, C virus, D virus and E virus. In India, the commonest are A, B, C and E. In addition to viral hepatitis, there can be other causes of hepatitis like alcohol, drugs, toxins, autoimmune hepatitis. What type of hepatitis is most dangerous? Well, depending upon the severity, all the hepatitis can be dangerous. But usually, hepatitis A is a milder disease, but hepatitis E, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, alcoholic liver disease, autoimmune hepatitis can be dangerous. They can lead on to acute problems as well as a chronic liver disease leading on to cirrhosis. And there can be other complications of cirrhosis as well. What should I do if I am diagnosed with hepatitis disease? So, if you are diagnosed with hepatitis, then we need to know what is the severity of the hepatitis, what is the cause of hepatitis, what are the complications of hepatitis in your case, and many other things we need to know. So, if you are diagnosed with hepatitis, you should meet with a liver specialist who will guide you and diagnose you and then treat you. Is there cure for hepatitis? For viral hepatitis, for hepatitis A and hepatitis E, they are self-limiting diseases, means over a period of time, over a period of 4 to 12 weeks, they get alright on their own. Whereas hepatitis B can be suppressed with a very good oral medicines, as well as hepatitis C can be cured with oral therapy. There are very good drugs to treat hepatitis C as well as hepatitis B nowadays. Alcoholic hepatitis can be cured, can be treated if you stop alcohol, and obviously for drug-induced hepatitis, for toxin-induced hepatitis, autoimmune hepatitis, they can be controlled with medicines. If an infected person kisses someone, can there be a transmission because of the kiss or spitting over a normal person? Well, theoretically yes. If an infected person kisses another person, he can transmit viral hepatitis, particularly hepatitis B and C, in case he is not on treatment and the viral load is high.